You have $3,200 in credit card debt. You saved up enough to pay it all off today. Your instinct says do it. But making that payment right now might be the biggest money mistake of your year. Every finance influencer says the same thing. Pay off high-interest debt first. Always. No exceptions. And they're not wrong. They're just not telling you the whole story. At 20% interest, that $3,200 is costing you $53 every single month. That is real money leaving your account for nothing. Of course you want it gone, but here is the question nobody asks. What happens the month after you zero out that balance? What happens when your car needs $700 in repairs and your savings account is sitting at zero? That $700 repair goes right back on the credit card. You are in debt again in 30 days. You paid interest for months to reach zero, then charged it right back up. That is the cycle. Look at what happens to that balance over 12 months under two strategies. One person pays it all off. One person splits it. The difference by month 6 will change how you see this. Here is the math that changes everything. Take $1,000 of that $3,200 and park it in a high-yield savings account at 4.5%. It earns you $45 a year. Your remaining $1,000 card balance costs $200 a year in interest. Your net cost is $155 for the whole year. But here is the part that matters more than that $155. That $1,000 in savings means you stop charging new expenses to the card. Every new charge on a card you're already carrying costs you 20%. The savings account is not competing with your debt. It is preventing new debt. Think of it this way. The $1,000 in savings is not money you are losing to interest. It is your shield. It is the thing that keeps one bad month from sending you right back to square one. Here is what the steady path looks like. You pay $2,200 toward the card today. You keep $1,000 liquid. Then you chip away every month. Your balance goes one direction, down. Here is the uncomfortable part. If you zero out your card and drain your savings to do it, you are one car repair or one dentist bill away from being right back at $3,200. The debt is not your enemy. Having no buffer is. Here is exactly what to do right now. Step 1. Do not pay off the full $3,200 yet. Step 2. Open a high-yield savings account. Marcus, Ally, and SoFi are all paying around 4.5% today. Step 3. Move $1,000 into that account. Step 4. Put the remaining $2,200 toward your card. Now you have $1,000 earning interest. Your card balance is down to $1,000. And when something breaks, you handle it without touching the card at all. That is how you stop the cycle for good. The standard advice says pay off high-interest debt first. That is true if you already have a cushion. But if you're starting from zero, paying off the card, and emptying your savings just resets the trap you were trying to escape. You do not need to earn more to escape this. You need to stop falling back into it. A $1,000 buffer in a high-yield account earning 4.5% is the cheapest way to break this pattern permanently. If this changed how you think about your debt, subscribe. New video every week. More of this, less noise.